How to register Tangerine mobile app. Now, to register for Tangerine mobile app, the registration for the mobile app will be done automatically during the process of whenever you're creating your bank account. For example, when you launch the Tangerine app and you go to become a client option, you can see one of the features is to create a profile and set up security features. This means that whenever you're creating a bank account, your bank has already asked you to use an email address and a password which will be used for your mobile banking. But if you don't remember what email address and that you used, you can just call the customer support. So you can tap on this question mark icon from the top right hand side and you'll find their customer support number. Call them and ask them about your mobile banking information, which they'll be able to give you using the login ID and password. So if you tap this I button, also it says you can use a client number, card number, or the username that you used during the bank account registration process. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.